Hello my friend, today we are going to show you how to make letter embroidery on t-shirts with the machine HM-1501. Now we input letter in the computer. We input YunFu and then embroidery YunFu design. Here it means to increase the length and width of the letter. Save the parameters. Saved successfully. And then choose the design. Then choose the frame. Choose the t-shirt frame of the machine. Confirm the embroidery and then we work the frame. Make outline trees. And now we choose the thread color. Choose the color according to the thread base. And we choose the red color in the needle 8. Now we choose needle 8. And start embroidery.